Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to get your Bulgarian phone number from KrispCall. To purchase a Bulgarian phone number on KrispCall, visit KrispCall.com and either create an account or log in. Navigate to My Numbers by clicking the plus icon or accessing it through Settings. Click Purchase New Number. From the list of countries, select Bulgaria. Click Buy Number after choosing your desired number type. Give a name to your selected number and add it to your cart. You need to submit a copy of your local ID and address document to our customer department to get a Bulgarian phone number. Click Confirm Purchase. After getting your Bulgarian phone number, you can make and receive calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.